What is question 6? Please read this question, Rabia.
Yes, sir. Question number 6. Take the data given, giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the following table.
So index table is given right here, and two columns are there. Which are there? Maximum and minimum. Sorry, minimum and maximum, right? So two columns are written here, maximum and minimum. Is that clear? And the name of the cities are written whose temperature is counting. So this has to be placed where? Let us read further. Plot a double bar graph using Join Arabia. Read here.
Yes, sir. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following. Which
Answer
city
the
has the
following. Yes, answer the following. We have to follow later on. First, our job is what? To place the data in a graph paper, right? With the help of double bar lines. So these are the datas of the cities given. Ahmedabad maximum was 38, minimum was 29 degrees Celsius, right? Amritsar 37 degrees Celsius, 26 degrees Celsius. Bangalore 28 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees Celsius. This is the symbol of degree. સમજાય છે આ નાનો એવો ઝીરો કરેલો છે ઉપર નંબરની ઉપર that means that is the symbol of degree અને ડિગ્રીની બાજુમાં જે C લખેલો છે એને શું કહેવાય સેલ્સિયસ શું કહેવાય એને
Celsius?
સેલ્સિયસ સેલ્સિયસ શું કહેવાય
Celsius.
sorry do you know the meaning of celsius ટેમ્પરેચર કાઉન્ટિંગનો જે આપણે કેમ રૂપીઝ અને પૈસા કહીએ રાબિયા
Yes,
આપણે
sir.
કેમ રૂપીઝ અને પૈસા કહીએ છે ને એમ એમ ટેમ્પરેચરનું ઈ યુનિટ છે ઇઝ ધેટ ક્લિયર
Yes.
that is the unit of temperature wait see celsius this is the spelling of celsius but this is written as આખું celsius નથી લખવાનું degree this symbol and capital C understood
Yes.
okay so according to that maximum and minimum temperature Ahmedabad Amritsar Bangalore Chennai Delhi Jaipur Jammu Mumbai see subjects are lot of so you have to take care of it like that way 1 2 3 4 5 6 then 7 8 9 there are nine topics to be placed in an x axis column yes or no so you have to just
Yes.
take care of it કે ખોટું કઈ waste ન થાય everything should be placed in one page itself so coming back to હવે answer આપણે પછી follow કરશું questions રાબિયા
Yes.
આપણે questions પછી follow કરશું first we will prepare a graph okay so let us come to the answer column a double bar graph for the given data is constructed as follows first thing we will prepare x-axis and y-axis completely. I got it? Now, here, y-axis, here, we can write x-axis. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
Now, in the subject column, what is the subject? The name of the cities, right? So cities will be followed in a subject column. Everywhere there is a one gap of one box. આ ડબલ બોક્સ ને યુઝ કરવાના, સિંગલ બોક્સમાં જ યુઝ કરી નાખવાનું. ઇઝ ઇટ ક્લિયર? In single
Yes.
box itself, you can present as Ahmedabad, then gap of one box, then second box Amritsar, gap of one box, third box Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu, and Mumbai. All the 9 cities are presented here. See, why it is 8 cities only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 cities are there. Yes, not 9. Huh? 8 cities are there. Okay. Chalo. Then scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. They are taking 1 centimeter of one box is equal to, this one box is equal to how many centimeter? 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. So 0 is placed here, temperature is written on y-axis, cities are written on x-axis. After placing both of there, you can count here. See, आज नानी column છે ઈ છે ને 5 ની છે. કેની છે? 5. Every time you will not be having like this, and તમારી પાસે ઈ કઈ ખબર નહીં હોય કે આ 5 ની લાઈન છે કે 4 ની લાઈન છે. But this is up to your measurement. Are you getting? So if the gap of one box is what, 10 centimeter of one box, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degrees Celsius of one box, એના વચ્ચેની લાઈન કઈ હશે? 5 ની લાઈન હશે ને કે નહીં?
Yes.
Are you getting? So according to now, if it is the gap of 0 and 10, if here is 0 and here is 10, so your graph paper is how many lines of 10 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each line will considered 1 mark. Are you getting? હરેક internal line
Yes.
કેટલા marks ની હશે? 1
1.
mark ની હશે. So if there is 29, so અહીંયા 30 આવતું હોય for example, so 29 ક્યાં આવે? એના નીચેની લાઈનમાં આવે. Are you
Yes.
getting? સમજાય છે કે નહીં? 29 will be where? Between 20 and 30. Where will be 29? Above 25. So 25 is this, for example, 26, 27, 28, 29. Before 30, a single line will be there. That will be our 29. સમજ પડે છે કેવી રીતે કરવાનું બચ્ચા?
Yes.
All of you? The same thing, same working process as we were doing for above graph what we did yesterday. So first Ahmedabad 38 and 29. So I taught you how to place 29. Same way, how to place 38? Between 38 will be between 30 and 40. So 35 થી above હોય તો 36, 37 and 38. So 38 is here. See, are you getting? સમજાય છે? So maximum is 38 degrees Celsius and minimum is 29 degrees Celsius. આમાં કોઈને doubt હોય તો કયો. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
Sure, Bachcha Party. Only Rabia is answering me. What about other girls? Mistake not થવી જોઈએ. It is very easy. For the sake of one mistake, you will be losing your marks. Girls.
Yes,
Anybody?
sir.
આવડે જ ને મોદેસા, Aisha,
હા સર આવડે છે.
then Khadija, Ilma, then Amritsar 37, 26. So in maximum it will be 37 here and 26 as a minimum. Okay, see, check here. 25 ની ઉપરની એક લાઈન હશે 26. આપણે ડ્રો કરવાનું છે 20, 30. તો 20 ને 30 ની વચમાં 25 આવતું હોય, you after counting that lines you will be marking as 25 here like this. So after that 26 will be the very first line after 25. હા કે ના?
Yes.
Same way for Bangalore, same way for Chennai, 28, 21. So 28 will be maximum and 21 will be minimum. No, not this one, sorry. 28 is here. Let me write only. Wait. What was for Amritsar? 37 and 26. So 37 and 26. Okay. What is for Bangalore? 28 and 21. 28 and 21. Okay. Then what about Chennai? 36 and 27. So 36 is maximum and minimum is 27. Is that okay, girls? Then Delhi. 38, 28. 38 is maximum temperature and minimum is 28. And Jaipur, 39, 29. 39 and 29. Then Jammu, 41, 26. 41 degree, 41 and 26. Okay. And Mumbai, 32 and 27. 32 and 27. Any doubt here, girls? Your graph is ready. And you have to give two boxes as a symbol in the scale. Scale ma be box appana tamare. You have to present both of them differently. Okay? The way you show the pattern over here, the same way you have to show pattern for here also. Understood, girls?
Yes.
So both should be described in a graph paper differently. Okay? તમારી પાસે કલર તો હશે નહીં. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ મેથ્સના પેપરમાં we do not have to use color because it's not a drawing exam. So what we will do, we will prepare any of design. You can keep one box plain and another box you can make a shaded form. So shaded વાળું એક ટર્મ હશે ને જે plain box હશે એ અલગ represent કરતું હશે. Are you getting? Or you can do your design by your own. It depends. Both of them differently. કોકમાં stars કર્યા હોય, કોકમાં circles કર્યા હોય નાના નાના. So it depends. It will be presented differently. Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Chalo, your graph, not to cut a single mark, is ready over here. Your double bar graph. Graph na jara marks count thai, you will be not losing a 1/4 mark from it if it is written completely as it is shown here. And if it is drawn completely in your graph paper. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay, now let us go and follow the questions. Paragraph બનાવીને લખવાના નથી. We will give a short and sweet answer. Okay? Chalo, Rabia, please read question 1.
Question number 1. Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date?
Chalo. Now they are saying that from this data, who has more difference in minimum and maximum temperature? Which city? From which city do you feel that this city is having more difference than any other city?
Jammu.
Can I say Jammu? 41 is maximum and minimum is 26. Let us check. From the graph, it can be concluded that Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. What is the question? Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature in the given date? Oh, this is question number 2, what we followed. Okay, from the graph, it can be concluded that Jammu has the largest difference in its minimum and maximum temperature. Is that clear? First answer is this. I presented the second one in front of you all. So it was getting some problem. Have you got this answer one? Jammu has the
Yes.
largest difference between minimum and maximum. See here. We have to check here like this. 38 and 29. So difference is 9. 37 and 26. Again, difference is, I think so, 11. Difference is of 11. 21 and 28. Difference is of 7. 36, 27. Again, difference of 11. 10. Over here, 10. Here also 3. So 26, 14 and 15 here. Difference is 15. So સૌથી વધારે ડિફરન્સ કોણ આવ્યો? 41 and 26 નો આવ્યો? 15 નો ડિફરન્સ? Yes or no? That is
Yes.
our answer. From the graph, it can be concluded that Jammu has the largest difference in its minimum and maximum temperature. Is that clear? Question 1 is over. Question number 2. Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? So coldest ક્યારે આવે? સૌથી નીચું ટેમ્પરેચર હોય ઈ coldest city હોય. સૌથી ઊંચું ટેમ્પરેચર હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Hottest city. Right? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
ઓકે. સો સૌથી નાનામાં નાનું ટેમ્પરેચર કઈ બિલ્ડિંગમાં છે? ઓછામાં ઓછું.
Bangalore.
Can I see here 21? And સૌથી ઊંચામાં ઊંચું?
Jammu.
So the hottest city is Jammu and the coldest city is Bangalore. Understood? સમજાય છે?
Yes.
So from the graph, it can be concluded that Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. Question number 2 is solved. Question number 3. Rabia.
Question number 3. Name 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other.
શું કહેવા માંગે છે ક્વેશ્ચન? આપણે બે સિટીઝ એવા કહેવાના છે જેના મેક્સિમમ ટેમ્પરેચર, જેનું મેક્સિમમ ટેમ્પરેચર છે ને એટલે મોટામાં મોટી બિલ્ડિંગ છે, એ બીજાના લોએસ્ટ ટેમ્પરેચર કરતા પણ છે ને નાની છે. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? આપણે બે એવા સિટીઝ છે. નેમ 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of others. Understood? સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? Let us check the table. Can you find 2 cities over here? Can I see here? Here it is 28 and 21. The maximum is 28 for Bangalore, right? And in Ahmedabad, the minimum itself is 29. Over here also in Jaipur, see. The minimum is 29. Can we recognize the table?
Yes.
તો આ એક એવું સિટી છે જેનું મેક્સિમમ ટેમ્પરેચર એ બીજા બે સિટી કરતા ઓછું છે. બીજા બે સિટીના મિનિમમ ટેમ્પરેચર કરતા પણ ઓછું છે. ચેક હિયર. Minimum temperature is what in both the cities? In Ahmedabad, 29, right? Minimum temperature of Ahmedabad is what? 29. Minimum temperature of Jaipur is what? 29. બાકી બધા વચમાં આવે છે. Check here. But this is Bangalore itself has the maximum temperature 28, which is below than this minimum temperature of both the cities. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
બાકી એક કે ના લઈ શકાય. શું કામ? કેમ કે આનું મિનિમમ 26 છે તો મેક્સિમમ પાછું બહુ હાઈ છે. ચેક હિયર 41. but એમાં question શું કહી છે? I'm sorry, what was your 27? What is the thing we have to learn? We have to study that there is, name the two cities. We have to name the two cities whose, name the two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं? So answer is what? As we have selected. So Bangalore and Jaipur, Bangalore and Ahmedabad. समझाई गई? Bangalore is common. Jaipur and Ahmedabad is having the minimum temperature which is above the maximum temperature of, sorry, which is above the maximum temperature of Bangalore. Is that clear? Girls, समझ पड़ी आ क्वेश्चन के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
श्योर ने? समझाणो के नहीं? We have to name the two cities whose minimum temperature is more than the maximum temperature of other city. So Bangalore is the city who is having maximum temperature less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad and Jaipur. समझाई गयो?
Yes.
Okay. Then next question, chalo. Rabia?
Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature.
We have to name the city which has the least એટલે ઓછામાં ઓછું difference હોય minimum ને maximum temperature માં. Okay, we can consider here 5. બાકી બધામાં 9, 10, 11 difference છે. This Mumbai has the least difference between the minimum and the maximum temperature. 27 ને 32 નો gap કેટલો થાય? Difference of 5. Any doubt here? Last question will be, last answer will be from the graph. It can be concluded that the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature is Mumbai. Is that all clear?
Yes.
With the help of this question, we have completed our graph topic and we have completed our exercise 3.3. Okay? We are in last exercise now, following with 3.4. Question number 1. Chalo. Come on, girls. 5 minutes exercise, not more than that. Rabia, continue.
Exercise 3.4, question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain.
See, there are 3 options here. Certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain, thai sake પણ ન થાય. Are you getting? Certain to happen means thai sake and impossible means not thai. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we have to just read the statement and we have to assume out of these 3 the answers about it. Okay? You are, shall read kar Rabia.
You are older today than yesterday, certain to happen.
Very good. Certain to happen. થવાનું જ છે. એમાં કોઈ બીજો કોઈ ઓપ્શન જ નથી એમાં. Then
A tossed coin will land heads up.
a toss coin, હું સિક્કો ઉછાળું તો head આવશે. Can happen but not certain.
Can happen, but not certain.
સમજાણું?
Yes.
થઈ શકે પણ guarantee નહીં. What is the meaning of can happen but not certain? Can happen, થઈ શકે પણ કોઈ guarantee નહીં. Are you getting? હું સિક્કો ઉછાળું તો tails એ આવે, એવું જરૂરી થોડું જ કે heads જ આવે. Then
A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top.
a die એટલે શું? પાસો તમે રમો છો એ dice.
So dice હોય ને?
Dies હોય die પણ કહેવાય. It's okay, no problem in that.
Impossible.
Sorry?
Impossible.
Impossible. કોઈ દિવસ dies માં કોઈ દિવસ તમે 8 જોયું? 0 અને 7 આવે જ નહીં, 1 to 6 જ આવે. Are you getting my point? Then
The next traffic light green will be green.
the next traffic light seen will be green. What will be the answer?
Can happen but not.
Can happen but not certain. Very good. And last,
Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Can happen but not certain.
have you understood the content about probability?
Yes.
Your answers are correct. All the answers are correct. Joe, impossible. There are only 6 faces in dice. Marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Any doubt here? Girls? Question 1 is over. Now we are in question number 2. Chalo. Come on, Rabia. Today is your day.
Question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each one of them.
Okay.
What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2?
Then
What is the probability of drawing a marker with number 5?
but obvious, there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. આ એક માર્બલ છે તો હરેક માર્બલ ઉપર શું કરેલું છે એ લોકોએ નંબર્સ પ્લેસ કરેલા છે. આર યુ ગેટિંગ ઓર નોટ? ઇન અ બોક્સ there are 6 marbles in a box with a number from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So now they are asking, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Number 2 ની probability કેટલી? So there are how many marbles? 6. Number 2 is only 1, so probability is 1 upon 6. Are you getting? Again, what is the probability of number 5? Number 5 is 1. There are 6 possibilities. So again 1 upon 6. સમજાય છે કે નહીં, girls?
Yes.
Now, probability is equal to number of favorite outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. Or we can say total number of outcomes. સમજાઈ ગયું? અહીંયા શું કહી શકાય? Number of possible outcomes, or you can say here total number of outcomes. Both are one at the same. કેટલા maximum outcomes નીકળવાના હોય એ. Is it clear, girls? You can write this or this, any of one statement in denominator. Both are correct. Number of favorite outcomes. So પહેલામાં શું જોવે છે તમારે? Number 2. So P is equal to appearance of 2. See what is written here in bracket. આપણો main aim શું છે? કે appearance of 2. Okay? Main aim શું છે? Appearance of 2. 2 is 1. And possibility of outcomes, the total are 6. So answer is 1 upon 6. Any doubt here, girls?
Sir.
Any doubt here, girls?
No.
No.
See, so કેવી રીતે લખવાનું? P. P stands for probability. In bracket, what should be needed? If coin is flipped, if I say head આવશે, the probability of getting head in bracket, બરાબર, is equal to head આવવાના chances કેટલા? 1% out of 2 outcomes. So head આવવાના chances 1 upon 2. Are you getting my point? In the same way, P, appearance શું છે આપણું? Number 2. Okay. Appearance of number 2, so 1 upon 6 is our answer. Because total number of outcomes or the number of possible outcomes are how many? 1 to 6. Is that clear? In the same case, Same formula is applied for the second question. Probability is equal to આખું લખવાનું હો girls. Without this, you will not score a marks for this. Probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, or you can write number of possible outcomes. Okay. Again, P in bracket appearance of 5. What you have to write? Because the second question they want is 5. So appearance of 5. Again, outcomes are total number 6 and 5 units. So it is 1 upon 6. Any doubt, girls? See here, the last answer. Any doubt, bachcha party? ઓય છોકરીઓ હું તમને પૂછું છું. Hello.
No, sir.
This to be written here also. આની વગર માર્ક્સ ન મળે. એટલું યાદ રાખજો. This is number 2. Okay, girls?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? રાબિયાની ને મારી ટીમ છે, ચલો બરાબર. Hello. Now this
Yes,
flipping the coin will decide કે મારી ટીમ સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે ગેમ કે રાબિયાની ટીમ સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે. Are you getting? So a coin has two faces, head and tail. One team can opt either head or either tail. Okay. Now Rabia said that અને એમાં એવું છે જે ટીમ ટોસ જીતશે એ સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે. Are you getting? So Rabia કીધું head. So probability, number of favorite outcomes upon number of possible outcomes, or you can write total number of outcomes, right? So probability of starting our team to be start first is what? How much? Probability કેટલી આપણી ટીમની સ્ટાર્ટ થવા માટે? So 1% out of 2%, right? It can happen that Mohammad Sani team પણ start કરે. It can happen કે રાબિયાની team પણ start કરે. So total outcomes can be 2. But your favorable outcomes are how many? That you want Rabia's team to start the game first. Are you getting, girls? Any doubt with this question? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Last question of this chapter. A box contains pairs of socks of two colors, black and white. There are two different colors of socks what you have to wear. Pairs of socks of two colors, black and white. I have picked out a white socks. I pick out one more with my eyes closed. What is the probability that it will be make a pair? સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? A box contains pairs of socks of two colors. બે જોડી મોજા છે બોક્સમાં, black and white. I have picked out a sock, a white sock, એક white sock out of two socks. બે પગ હોય તો બે મોજા હોય ને એક પેરમાં, એમાંથી એક white મોજું બહાર કાઢી લીધું છે મેં, right? I pick out one more with my closed eyes. પછી મેં મારી આંખ બંધ કરી દીધી, and then I got the one more sock out of the three which was remaining, right? What is the probability that it will make a pair? Pair થશે એવી probability કેટલી? There are how many colors do we have inside the box? Two colors, right? So probability of number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. So probability is equal to a pair of white socks will be formed. White socks આપણે જોવે છે. So possibility is 1 and you can get any of one. Either you can get white sock also, either you can get black also. So possibility outcomes are 2. So your probability is 1 upon 2. Any doubt here, girls? Any doubt, Bacha Party?
No, sir.
So with the help of this question, our chapter number 3 is over. Is that clear, girls? Is that all clear, बच्चे लोग? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Your all the sums and the graph should be ready in your book. Your graph should be ready in your graph paper or graph book, or make sure you do not have to do graphs in your